Hey guys, if you want to know how to tag Mili tag on your iPad or iPhone, I will be guiding you step by step, very easy process. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the iPad. You can attach same way to the iPhone also. So on your iPad, you just search in the App Store, you just search find my. So this is the app you just need to search. So once you open the app, then there is a showing items, so you have to just see add item. See on this one, this is the me tag. Just press long press, and then you have to, this is not a air tag, select other supported item. So it will be searching for that, and now it will be showing you this one, connect, and enter the name. So put up any name, let's say I put up SS. Continue and choose the emoji which one you want. Let's say I need this one. So then you agree to the terms and conditions, say agree, and it is all finished. Click finish, and it is all set up. So let's say you need to play sound where it is. So you can stop the sound if you need to find the direction, where is my item. So it will be giving you the map where it is, and if you want to see go, so you can select
starting
go.
route.
So it is giving you the directions also. You can find out where it is. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.